easy, man.
Hey, I'm Veronica Taylor, and I just want to say from myself and Ash Ketchum, this video is sponsored by The Awesome Couple. Please visit them at PokemonAwesome.com. Gotta catch 'em all.
Alright nerds, we are back with the final part of my Steam Siege booster box opening, and I can't wait to finish this up because we're in our last 6 packs. We still got a few more. I really hope we can get one more decent pull. I'm kind of giving up on pulling a secret rare at this point, but I would love to get at least 1 or 2 more EXs, maybe a full art, because we only pulled 1 full art, and I'd like to get 2 full arts in my boxes. So hopefully this is a decent box and not something that was, weighed because it was so cheap. So either ways, let's get into these packs. Let's see what we got. And I am getting all sorts of messages on Facebook right now that I'm going to have to ignore. Alright, so we're just going to do these in this order right here. Oh, by the way, let's do a little recap of last episode. We got a Cobalion, Chandelure, and a Mega Steelix EX. And of course, in the episode prior to that, we got a Klinklang and a Gardevoir EX. So far, our pulls are not as good as last week's, but, with all the pulls we got last week, you can kind of gotta expect that. I'm sorry. There's only so many pulls you can get a booster box, so oh man. But either way, let's see what we got. Oh well, we're starting off with a white code card this time, so that is always nice. Start off strong. Maybe our last pack will also end strong, so let's see if we can get some decent. 1, 2, and 3 to the front, and let's see what we get, nerds. All right, we're starting off with a Shieldon, Steelix Spirit Link, Dewott, Mankey, Klink, Manty, Shellos, Meryl, Nidorino, and our rare is a Hydreigon holographic. Nice, that goes with my Hydreigon break. Nice. I know in some sets it was possible to pull a break card and a a holo or better, but maybe only a breakthrough. I heard that you can get it in Breaking Point, but I haven't seen it in any other sets. I think Breakthrough is the only set where I've actually seen the double pull like that. Let me know in the comment section below if you can give me an answer to that. So maybe link me to a video so I can see it for myself. That'd be pretty dang cool. If it's someone I'm not subscribed to, I can subscribe to them. I like subscribing to people. By the way, if you have a channel and you want me to, subscribe to your channel, let me know in the comment section below. I usually do. I don't really do sub for sub, but if you have good videos, I'll go over there and I'll sub to you, I'm a good sub. Anyways, Armor, Fossil Shieldon, Klefki, Larvesta, Meowth, Mantine, Mareep, Yanma. Our reverse is a Meowth, very cool, even if it's not a rare. And our rare is a Yanmega regular rare. So let's set you over here. We got a couple more packs. Come on. We're almost done. Come on, guys. I really, really, really need this to pull through here. Oh my god, let's see what we got. That's another green code card. Come on, at least if we can get another break, I'd be satisfied with that, to be honest. 1, 2, and 3 to the front. Alright. And let's see, we got a Special Charge, Rapidash, Persian, Tangela, Ponyard, Oshawott, Nidoran Fungus. Oh, there we go. A Revoltol break. And can I have this one? I need Xerneas break. This is not helping me, guys. And a Volcanion. That is actually not a bad little card itself, but I have a few copies of it. So I actually bought the deck that came with that and the special Shattered Glass Hollow Full version. So anyways, let's see if this Volcanion pack delivers something a little bit better. Come on, we gotta have one more white code card in this thing. Just one more. I need it. Well, that's a green code card, so let's see what we get out of this one. See if it's something good. 2, 3 to the front, and let's see what we get. We got ourselves another Nidorino, Anorith, Monferno, Drifloon, Seedot, Sneasel, Oshawott, Fletchling. Ooh, a Druddigon. That is a reverse rare, right? Yes, that is a reverse rare. And our rare is an Armaldo regular rare. I almost called it a GX for reasons beyond me. So, let's see. We got 2 packs left. We got Yveltal break, Xerneas break. Please bring us the goods. Oh my god, I need the goods so bad. Oh my god, is that... Oh, that is a white code card. This is almost certainly our last white code card. So let's see what we can get. If I can get a ultra rare or better, I'd be pretty satisfied with that. So let's see what we get here, nerds. Alright, we're starting off with an Ambipom, Lampent, Azumarill, Meowth, Ponyta, Rufflet, Larvesta, Joltik. Our reverse is a Yanma, and our rare is a... Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I needed this card. This is such a good card. Oh my god. Oh, I know a few people who want this card. Professor Sycamore. Oh my god, I just went numb. Oh, Jesus. That is such a cool card. And oh my god, I bet you this set is going out of rotation soon too. Wow. Oh my god, guys, that is so amazing. Oh, I'm so happy right now. I know maybe I don't see that happy, but oh my god, that is so cool. Oh my god, I'm just gonna keep... Oh jeez, that just made this opening. Oh my god, that is such a good card. Oh my god. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, whatever I get out of this one is, well, it's a green code card, so we're not getting anything else. Unfortunately, we did not get a secret rare in this set, which is a little saddening, but actually, I honestly think that Professor Sycamore is better than pulling a secret rare in this set, so either way. Nuzleaf, Rapidash, Steelix Spirit Link, Tangela, Croagunk, Shellos, Mankey, Apom, a reverse Rapidash, which is just an uncommon, and our rare is an Amoonguss regular rare. So let's just go over our pulls for today. We got the Druddigon Hollow, reverse Hollow, Hydreigon Hollow, Yveltal Break, and the Professor Sycamore full art. Oh my god, that is so cool. Oh my god, let me do a quick go over so I can get all my cards together, and I'll just do a quick cut here, and we'll be back in a minute, nerds. Alright, we're back, and here are our pools for our booster box. So we got for our reverse rares, we got Bastiodon, Weavile, Toxicroak, Druddigon, and Cobalion, so that is 5 reverse rares. For our hollows, we have a Infernape, Yveltal, Shiftry, Ampharos, Klinklang, Chandelure, and Hydreigon. That is, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 hollows, which I think is about right. I think you get about 6 to 8, I think might be what you get. So I'm right in there. For our breaks, we got Talonflame, Hydreigon, and Yveltal. That is 3 break cards, so you know that's about right. Volcanion EX, Gardevoir EX, and Mega Steelix, so also 3 EX cards, which is pretty sweet in itself. And of course, we got the Magearna EX and the freaking Professor Sycamore full art cards. So I'm pretty happy with these pulls. Let me know in the comment section below what your favorite pull, not only of just this video was, but of all of these. I think my favorite comes down to that Professor Sycamore. That really made this box for me. Anyways, nerds, if you like this video, please hit that like button and leave a comment down below. And be sure to check me out on social media. I'm at Cass the Nerd on Facebook and at Jedi_Cass on Twitter, and I'm definitely a lot more on Twitter than I'm on Facebook, so definitely check me out there first. Anyways, nerds, later.